Good morning. Hope everyone will be fine in your home. So today we will discuss our worksheet of chapter 3 Safety and First Aid. So take your worksheet along with the pencils and rubber and then mark the answer. First one, choose the correct option. In which place in our home a fire accident will take place? So compared to all the three, bathroom, bedroom and dining room, in kitchen only the fire accident will take place. So underline the option kitchen. If there is a smoke, what you will do? You have to lie down and then you have to crawl. So underline the option B. Third one, we should throw sand or mud on fire caused by dash. So it is said to be an oil. Underline the option oil. Fourth one, we should stand dash the swing to avoid the accidents. So we should stand away from the swing. So underline the first option away from. Fifth one, when you will use a splint. So when your fractured limbs are there, you have to use the splint. Then fill in the blanks. A dash involves practicing emergency procedure to be used in the case of the fire. So a fire drill. So if we have to use the fire drill, it is an emergency procedure in case of a fire. You can use dash to extinguish the fire caused by the petrol. So we can use the fire extinguisher. And third one is the homework for you. It is an extra question, so try to find these answers. Fourth one, a dash is a box that contains all the things required to give the immediate help to the injured. So the answer is said to be first aid. A first aid is a box that contains all the things required to give help. Then answer the following in short. So first, what are the safety rules? Fire safety rules help in preventing the fire. Safety rules means saving ourselves from several accidents. Second one, list the 3 safety rules that we should do during the cooking. So in case of the gas leak, what you have to do? You have to open all the doors and windows to get the proper ventilation, and you should not touch the electrical switches because these electrical switches, they produce the spark, so it will lead to the contact with the gases. So we should avoid the electrical switches. Third one, what is first aid? First aid means it is an immediate help given to the injured person until they will get the full medical treatment. Okay, I am repeating again. First one, what are safety rules? Safety rules means preventing ourselves from several accidents. List any 3 safety rules that we should do during the cooking. In case of the gas leak, we have to open all the doors and windows. We should not touch the electrical switches. So because when you touch the electrical switches, the fire will be taking place. Third one, what is a first aid? First aid means it is an immediate help given to an injured person until a full treatment is given. Then what is a fire drill? Fire drill means it is an emergency procedure we have to use in case of a fire. So in case of the fire, how to react, it will teach these things. Fifth one, what are the different ways of putting out the fire? If a fire has been caused by the paper, wood or plastic, we have to throw the sand or water because it will cut the supply of air and puts out the fire. We can use the sand or mud to extinguish the fire caused by the petrol kerosene or cooking oil, and here we should not use the water. Then fourth one, long answer. First question, what first aid should be given when a bee or wasp stings us? So what you have to do? First, we have to remove the stinger as soon as possible. Then you have to wash the affected area with the soap and water. And then you have to apply the ice pack or cool wet cloth to relieve the pain and swelling. And then you have to use the antiseptic cream. Okay, I'm repeating again. First you have to remove the string, then wash the affected area with soap and water, apply an ice pack or a cool wet cloth to relieve the pain and swelling, and then at last you have to apply an antiseptic cream. Second question, what first aid should be given for fractures? Fracture means what? It is a break or a crack in a bone. First, we have to ensure the fractured part is not moved. Then we have to cover it with a splint. Splint means it is type of the cloth, triangular sling. And triangular sling also used to support our fractured arm. Third one, what is a fire drill? Write the rules for the free drill. As I before discussed, fire drill means what? In case of an emergency fire, how we have to react in that situation. So here are some rules here. Once you hear the alarm, you have to stop all your work and then make a queue and then follow your teacher to the exit point. Assemble them all in a safe place, that is away from the building, and wait for your teacher to tell you that it is safe to go to the building or not. Okay, so since this is a very small short chapter, so we have completed this worksheet also. Try to complete this worksheet. Then we will discuss later things on tomorrow.